of Ravindra.
Yes. Thank you so much, Palash. पयली सुरू करचे पयली माझे बरे नशीब म्हणूंक सोदता की म्हाका हे संधी मेळ्ळे की डॉक्टर मीरा कोसांबी मेमोरियल लेक्चराक म्हाका उलोवपाची जी संधी मेळ्ळी. अभिजीत सराचे आभार आसा. आय वॉन्ट टू थँक हिम फॉर गिविंग मी दिस ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी टू स्पीक on an occasion to commemorate someone who I have looked up to always, that is Dr. Meera. And I also congratulate all the prize winners of today, all the academic meritorious students today, and congratulate Kurung Sotta. And I want to tell you that this is just the start of an amazing life in front of you, and I wish you all the very best for your career in the future. Having said that, Dr. Meera's work has been really amazing. Like Madam Achaji book as a Feminist Vision or Treason Against Men, that was probably one of the last books that I have read of hers. And I have really had a high regard for Madam, and then to be speaking on a lecture which is named after her, हे माझे खरे बरे नशीब. And why I really idolize her is that अशा टायमार जेन्ना बायलांक फ्रीडम चड नाशिल्लें, जावं तांकां अजून ऑप्रेस्ड करताले सोसायटी. At that time she did her PhD from the Stockholm University, and that is really something which is amazing. It's something visionary. So she has broken all kinds of barriers and has done really exceptionally well. So माझे बरे नशीब की हांव आज मॅडमच्या नावाचेर जे स्मृतीन जे एक कार्यक्रम असा, जी लेक्चर सिरीज असा, आय हॅव बीन इन्वायटेड टू स्पीक ऑन दिस. सो आय एम रियली ग्रेटफुल टू कोंकणी भाषा मंडळ अँड अभिजीत अँड अग्नी सर फॉर गिविंग मी दिस ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी. आयज हांव उलयतलो एक खूब इंटरेस्टिंग विशयाचे बद्दल. तुम्ही स्क्रीनचेर पळयता वेगवेगळे मुयांचे फोटोज आसा, आणि आय एम गोइंग टू टेल यू हाऊ आय एंडेड अप being fascinated by these. आम्ही चडशे मुयांक जेन्ना पळयता दोमळे हुमळे जावं शेवरो अशे बारीक सारीक काळे मुय, धाकटे आसा, व्हडले आसा, चावता, दुखता अशें चिंतता मुयांचे बद्दल. पूण मुयां घेवन हांव इतले फुडें कसो पावलो, लायक हाऊ डीड आय रीच सो अहेड इन लायफ विथ जस्ट दीज व्हेरी टायनी क्रिचर्स जेंका आमी केन्ना we never give attention to them. So I want to share this journey with you, and I hope that my journey also helps you realize that life is not just about the conventional job opportunities or conventional education opportunities, but life is all about exploration, and life is all about trying to think out of the box and do out of the box and look out of the box. So with that, I'm going to go forward on my journey. माझी जर्नी जे आसा, it started from engineering all the way to a PhD in ecology with a prospective desk job in between, and I have had a very big and long stretch academic career of about 16 academic life of about 16 years. So I want to share that part of my life. आणि ही जी माझे 16 वर्षाची जर्नी आसा, हितून हांवें जे पयलींचे पिक्चर आसा, द गुड बॅड आणि अगली. आय हॅव सीन ऑल साइड्स ऑफ द गुड बॅड अँड अगली ऑफ द इंडियन एज्युकेशन सिस्टम, द करियर सिस्टम, अँड सोसायटल प्रेशर, पियर प्रेशर, पेरेंट्सच्या अपेक्षा, आमचे स्वतःचे ड्रीम्स, एस्पिरेशन्स. सो आय हॅव सीन ऑल ऑफ दीज टुगेदर. आणि हे जे 3 वेगळे वेगळे कॉन्सेप्ट्स आसा, हे हांव तुमकां आयज सांगतलो. I'll start with the ugly. Right off the bat, I'm going to start with the ugly. So, it started when I realized that, I made peace with not craving for money. म्हणजे कशें आसा, after my engineering there was a time when I knew that I could have gotten into a well-paying job. पण म्हाका कळ्ळें की if that is what I want to do, maybe I'll be very successful financially, but what about my dreams and aspirations? What happens to them? So that is when I realized that is the ugly part of making a decision, that I had to make peace with not craving for money, but aiming or trying for something bigger and something higher. And that is where the good part starts. जे माझे अख्खे जर्नीचे जे बरे पार्ट आसा, that starts somewhere here. And here the example दिवंक सोदता, there are some things that money can't buy, but for everything else there is a MasterCard. So choosing a career of your own liking and your own passion is something that money cannot buy you. That is something that you have to choose for yourself, and you have to strive towards it. And I have had the opportunity, or म्हणजे बरे नशीब म्हणूंक शकता की I was at an engineering course at one of India's best engineering colleges, universities, and after that I also went for a bachelor's. After my BTech, I went to a bachelor's in zoology at the Government College of Sakri, and then I was also lucky to enroll into the Pondicherry Central University, which was at that time number 3 in India for amongst all the universities, all the central universities. But then the most lucky thing that probably happened was that our Indian Institute of Science, ही जी संस्था आसा, हांगा join जालो PhD करपाक माझे. And Indian Institute of Science is the country's best institution, best scientific institution. It's number 36 in Asia and number 80 in the world ranking. So it is one of the best institutes in this country. आणि माझे आणि बरे नशीब हे आशिल्लें की I was enrolled in a PhD at the Center for Ecological Sciences. आणि खूपशे तुम्ही ऐकले आसतले डॉक्टर प्रोफेसर माधव गाडगिलाचे बद्दल, वेस्टर्न घाट सह्याद्रीचे बद्दल त्यांच्यानी खूप काम केलेले आसा. He has done extensive work and research on the Western Ghats, and he is the founder for the Center for Ecological Sciences. आणि माझे चड बरे नशीब that I had a mentor like him in initial days. 2012-13 वर्सां first time Gadgil सराक मेळ्ळो गोवा युनिवर्सिटीन under Dr. Janardhanam's guidings and blessings. And from that time माझी जी journey asa academics, and it has been like going ahead and going upwards. So I mean माझे background दिले. So then the question comes, what have I got out from making wildlife and ecology into an academic career? म्हणजे चडशे तुम्ही ऐकले आसतले की आता तुम्ही स्कूलान आसा, आता पास आउट जाल्ले आसा, तुमचे एक न्यू फेज सुरू जातले आणि तुमच्या भितर हे कन्फ्युजन येयलें आसतलें की नीटचे प्रिपरेशन करूया की सीईटी दिवया की इंजिनियर जावया की डॉक्टर जावया, नर्सिंग चे कोर्स बरे की paramedicalचे course बरे. So you have so many options and opportunities today, and one small direction or avenue in all these options and noise that is available is this career in wildlife conservation and ecology. And look where this career choice took me. ये जे तुम्ही आता स्क्रीनचेर पळयता photographs, this is what exactly I have seen and experienced in my life. ये जे तुम्ही पळयता, this is the Milky Way, and this is from the roof of the world, from the Himalayas. आणि ये जे scenery or scene जे तुम्ही पळयता, this is something that very few people would ever be lucky to see in their lives from our amazing country. And look what very offbeat choice of career got me into, or where it took me to. आणि हे फक्त हांगाच न्ही. No, it took me from the roof of the world, that is the Himalayas, the top of the world, from amazing landscapes. And I was really lucky that I also got an opportunity to scale a peak which is 6,000 meters elevation. म्हणजे गोंयची जी height आसा थंयच्यान 6 kilometer वयर. So we started climbing at a height of 4,500 meters and then scaled that mountain that you see on the left hand side corner all the way to 6,000 meters. सो चुजींग दीस आमी लायक चडशे अशें चिंतता आसतले की माउंटेनियरिंग करपाक आमकां माउंटेनियर जावचो पडटा, जावं आमकां ट्रेकिंग जर करूंक जाय जाल्यार एज अ हॉबीच करचें पडटा. But then look what a career in wildlife and ecology got me. I could do something that very few people could do in their lives. आणि हे फक्त हिमालयाचेच गजाल न्हू, बॅक होम आमच्या बॅकयार्ड आमच्या पोरसान आसा हे आमचे मादेई वायल्ड लायफ सँक्च्युरी. आणि आय हॅव बीन एक्स्ट्रीमली लकी टू हॅव वर्कड इन द फॉरेस्ट ऑफ गोवाज वेस्टर्न घाट्स. ही आमची आणि एक वायल्ड लायफ सँक्च्युरी दॅट इज तांबडी देऊळ. सगळे खूपशे जण तुम्ही गेले असतले पहिले असतले. बट लुक ॲट हाऊ ब्युटिफुल गोवाज फॉरेस्ट्स आर अँड आय हॅव बीन रिअली लकी to have worked in the amazing landscapes that Goa has to offer us. And फक्त गोयानूच न्ही, I also have had the opportunity of going and exploring the forests in Thailand. So it was not just restricted to India, but then I also got the opportunity to go and explore and work in the forests abroad. And that's how amazing. And it's not just about forests. हे जे तुम्ही पळयता द स्क्रीनेचेर दिस अमेझिंग फिनॉमिनन हे गोंयान जाता. हे आमचे साधारण दक्षिण गोंयान जे वेलसांव बीच आसा, कासावली आसा, मागीर गालजीबाग, Talpona, all these areas have this amazing phenomenon. एक bioluminescence म्हणटा. आणि आता पावस आमचे ऑलमोस्ट सोंपले. अराउंड ऑक्टोबर टू नोव्हेंबर हे जे फिनॉमिनन आसा बायोल्युमिनेसन्स हे पळोवपाक मेळटा. आणि हे जर पळोवंक जाय जाल्यार ती ज्ञान आसूंक जाय की बाबा अमके टायमार वचूंक जाय, अशे सिच्युएशनान वचूंक जाय, हाय टायडाचेर वचूंक जाय. अँड ऑल ऑफ दीस हॅज कम फ्रॉम दीस अमेझिंग करियर दॅट आय हॅव लायक academic career that I have started, and it's been really amazing because it has given me knowledge and information not just about the landscape, but खूपशे वेगवेगळे तरेचे जनावर पहिले आसा. जशे अग्नी सरान सांगलेले आसा तुमकां इंट्रोडक्शनान की आय हॅव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ एनिमल्स. आय हॅव सीन सम रियली अमेझिंग हे जे तुम्ही आता स्क्रीनेचेर पळयता इट्स कॉल्ड द आयबेक्स, हिमालयन आयबेक्स. अँड टू सी अ साइट लायक दिस it's really priceless. And to see animals in their territory, for example, I mean world one of the most elusive cats पहिले आसा, it's called the snow leopard, बिबटो. गोंयान आमकां बिबटो मेळटा, पण एका स्नो लेपर्ड म्हणटा. हे फक्त हिमालयाचे मेळटा. and it's one of the most elusive large cats that exist in the world. So I was very lucky to come very close with such an amazing creation of God. And then closer to home, I was also very lucky to have several encounters with the leopard, like a bipto म्हणटा मी. And I've had several encounters with leopards. Sometimes these encounters have been that हांव बसून काम करता जंगलान आणि एक असो एक क्युरियस बिबटो फाटसून येयलो आणि म्हाका असो पळयता आणि इट्स चेकिंग मी आउट वेदर आय एम डेंजरस ऑर नॉट. And these are some kinds of priceless experiences that a person has when they explore forests. And then I have had run-ins with the sloth bears, the state animal of Goa, the Govaredo. This is the state animal of Goa. And I have also been really lucky to have sighted the tiger. Unfortunately not in Goa directly, indirectly तर पहिले आसा त्याचे scat आणि pug marks, but I've been very lucky to see the tiger several times in the wild. And I was also very lucky जे एकदा चलता सुद्धा हांवें पटेरी वाघ पहिले आसा. So I've been one of those very lucky people whose choice of career and academics has taken me to these amazing and majestic places. आणि हे फक्त व्हडले जनावरांचे न्ही, हांवें खुबशे वेगवेगळ्या तरेचे पक्षी पळयले आसा आणि खूब सुंदर पक्षी पळयले आसा. फॉर एक्झाम्पल हे आमच्या राज्याचे स्टेट बर्ड द फ्लेम थ्रोटेड बुलबुल और रुबी थ्रोटेड येलो बुलबुल म्हणटा. आणि हे एक प्रकारचे नॉक्टर्नल बर्ड. हे खुबशे लोकांनी पळोवंक नासतले. एका फ्रॉग माउथ म्हणटा. हेजे जर तोंड पयशे तुम्ही जाल्यार हेजे तोंड आसा, इट्स लायक अ फ्रॉग. सो इट ओपन्स इट्स माउथ लायक अ फ्रॉग अँड फ्लायज अराउंड. सो दॅट्स वाय इट्स कॉल्ड अ फ्रॉग माउथ. आय हॅव सीन सम रियली अमेझिंग वायल्ड लायफ ओवर टाइम अँड आय हॅव कम टू अप्रिशिएट दॅम. आणि हे फक्त जंगलाचेच गजाल न्हू, हांवें अशे खुबशे रिसर्च ऍक्टिव्हिटीज केल्ले आसा जे समुद्रान वचूनय केल्ले आसा. गोवा बर्ड कॉन्झर्वेशन नेटवर्क म्हणून एक संस्था आसा, which I was one of the founders, and हे संस्था थ्रू आम्ही खूपशे bird related research केले आसा, and one of those research has been to try and document birds in the oceans. आता आम्ही ओशन म्हटले की फक्त नुसतेचे आमका खबर आसा, बट देन ओशन इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट फिशेस, फक्त नुसते ना थंय, नुसते सोडून खूप कितें कितें आमचे दर्यान खूपशे अशे बायोडायवर्सिटी वेल्थ आसा, अँड वन ऑफ दॅट इज द पेलॅजिक बर्ड. सो ती पेलॅजिक बर्ड सर्वे करपाक हांव दर्यान खूप भितन गेल्ले आसा आमी, अबाउट 60-70 नॉटिकल माइल्स, म्हणजे लँडूय दिसना, टू दॅट एक्सटेंट वी हॅव गॉन, आणि खुबशे वेगवेगळे एक्सपिरियन्सेस मेळ्ळे आसा. लायक आय बीन व्हेरी लकी टू सी द whale shark. हांवें पयला कडलूर डिस्ट्रिक्ट फ्रॉम तामिळनाडू. I've also done these of course offshore from Tamil Nadu, so I was very lucky to see the whale shark as well once. आणि अशे थोडे प्रजाती आसा जे आमचे फुडे असता इन प्लेन साइट, पण आम्ही केन्ना ते अटेन्शन दिना. फॉर एक्झाम्पल अंजुना बीच, आम्ही सगळे जण गेले असतले अंजुना बीचचेर. जावं आम्ही केरी बीच, जे उत्तर गोंयान डिस्ट्रिक्टान केरी बीच आसा, आरंबोल आसा, ही जी बीचचेर आम्ही वयता, मजा मारता. पण थंय जर तुम्ही बारीक लक्ष दिवन पळयत जाल्यार यू विल सी दीज रॉकी आउटक्रॉप्स, गुणे असता, व्हडले गुणे असता. And if you actually take a look at these rocks, you will see animals that you see on your screen right now. Zoanthus म्हणताय का, and they are so beautiful. म्हणजे अशा पॅटर्न्स तुम्ही केन्ना नेचरान म्हणजे साधारणशे तुम्ही पोहोचना. बट देन इमॅजिन दॅट दिस इज राईट इन आवर बॅकयार्ड. अंजुना, हे फोटो आम्ही हांवें काढलेले, हे अंजुनान काढला हांवें. अँड देन लुक ॲट दिस, द हनीमून, दिस इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम अंजुना, जस्ट बिसाइड्स द बीच. सो जे जाग्यार आम्ही मजा because I took this very off track and off beat choice of career. आणि इट वॉज नॉट जस्ट दॅट. आय हॅव आता थोडे हेजे पयलीं जे फोटोज पयले हे सगळे कॅमेरान घेतलेले फोटोज, पण अशे थोडे इन्सिडेंट्स आसा जे हांवें पयले आसा, जेन्ना म्हाजे कडेन कॅमेरा नाशिल्लो, हांवें फक्त पळयलो दोळ्यान आनी तकलेन कॅप्चर करून दवरला फॉर अ लायफ टायम. सो आय हॅव सीन दीज अमेझिंग मोमेंट्स वेर 2 tigers have been fighting over territory dominance. I have seen courtship of hornbills, and I have seen incidences where there have been this mass movement of dolphins that have been moving from one end to another. म्हणजे ते शोलान कमीत कमी 300-400 डॉल्फिन्स आशिल्ले जे म्हाका जे याद येता. सो आय हॅव बीन एबल टू काइंड ऑफ सी ऑल ऑफ दॅट, and it has taken me to some really amazing landscapes. For example, हिमालयाजान जेन्ना तुमकां सांगता तुम्ही फक्त स्नो आणि आईस पिक्चर करता आसतले, बट हिमालयज इज मोर दॅन दॅट. म्हणजे सप्टेंबर ऑक्टोबर म्हयन्यान द एंटायर प्लेस चेंजेस इन टू प्रॉबेबली तो शाहरुख खानाच्या पिक्चराचे जे सीन आसा तसो कन्वर्ट जाता. अँड क्लोजर होम इन वेस्टर्न घाट्स अगेन खारवी फुलां जे फुलता 8 वर्सां जावं 12 वर्साचे गॅपान जे फुलां फुलता, ते अख्खे डोंगर मागीर पर्पल जाता. अँड देन all of these experiences become an experience for a lifetime. For example, जे हांवें माझ्या 16 वर्साचे जी अकॅडमिक जर्नी आसा, हेतून हांवें जे पळयलां, म्हाका दिसता हे डेफिनेटली म्हाज्या लायफ टायमाक तरी उरतलो हे मेमरीज. अँड आय हॅव रियली फॉन्ड मेमरीज ऑफ ऑल द प्लेसेस दॅट आय हॅव विजिटेड, ऑल द अमेझिंग थिंग्स दॅट आय हॅव डन, अँड फायनली बीन एबल टू ऍड अ ब्रिक टू द वॉल ऑफ सायन्स. म्हणजे आता तुमकां जे सगळें सांगलें, तुमकां अशें दिसता की अरे हेजे करियरान हो फक्त भोंवलो आसतलो हेवटेन तेवटेन ते गव्हर्मेंटचे पयशेन. मोस्ट ऑफ दीज वेर गव्हर्मेंट फंडेड प्रोजेक्ट्स. सो सगळ्यांक अशें दिसलें आसतलें की आय हॅव बीन अराउंड प्लेसेस, आय हॅव बीन गोईंग अराउंड, मुव्हिंग अराउंड प्लेसेस, अँड मजा मारले आसतलें. बट द बिगेस्ट thing that people like us do is add this brick to the wall of science. म्हणजे सायन्स इज अन इव्हॉल्विंग थिंग, आणि प्रत्येक फिल्डान जावं प्रत्येक गजालीन एक गॅप असता, आणि आमकां ते संधी मेळ्ळ्या आसा की हे गॅप फिल करपाक आमकां एक चान्स मेळटा. सो दिस इज समथिंग विच इज व्हेरी ग्रॅटिफाईंग अँड इट्स व्हेरी सॅटिस्फाईंग इन लाईफ. पण फुडें तुम्ही हे क्वेश्चन म्हाका विचारूंक शकता की ओके, खुबशे तुम्ही जनावर पळयले आसतले, रिसर्च केले म्हणटा तुम्ही, अँड खुबशे सिनेरी पळयले, ओके व्हेरी गुड, ग्रेट. आणि हे म्हणटा की आय हॅड अ ब्रिक टू द वॉल ऑफ सायन्स. ओके, ऑल ऑफ दिस साऊंड्स फिलॉसॉफिकली ग्रेट, बट सो वॉट, देन वॉट? हेचो फायदो कितें? आय थिंक वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट थिंग्स that I have been able to contribute and been able to do is to influence policy. आता कशें आसा चडशें आमकां अशें दिसता की गव्हर्मेंट जे रुल्स काडटा जावं लॉज काडटा हे सगळे आपले तकलेन कितें तरी चित्ता आनी काडटा आसतले मे बी, बट दॅट इज वेर यू आर रॉंग. Most of the policy that the government frames is by the suggestions that people like us do, and no other career probably can give you this much power to influence policy than an academic career. Even for a matter of fact, the COVID situation and तुम्ही पहिले असतले आमच्या देशाचे जे कोविड रेस्पॉन्स झालो or COVID response committee, you will see all the top scientists of this country on the committee of this COVID response team, and each state has its own COVID response team. So very good doctors, immunologists, pharmacologists, virologists, all of them came together on a platform and they were able to influence policy. So our honorable prime minister, whatever he says, is backed up by solid scientific evidence most of the times. So a career in science is probably one of those few places in this world which will get you like so close to being able to influence what our chief minister or what our prime minister says and what our government implements as a policy. So that is one of the biggest perks of this career, and probably the most satisfying of all of these things that I said is that a career in conservation help करता to drive career in wildlife helps to drive conservation. आणि हेच्या माध्यमान खूपशे असे communities वांगडा engage केल्ले आसा. I've spoken to and I've been in touch with and I've even helped communities sometimes financially, sometimes socially, sometimes with my knowledge, and not just me but my entire team at the Ecosystems Lab at CES, and my team in Goa from the Goa Bird Conservation and Aranya Environment Research Organization and the Wetlands International and Responsible Tourism Collective. Yes, सगळे जे संस्था वांगडा जे हांव जुगता आसा, through this we have been able to engage with communities at some level or the other. Making sure that they are aware about things, about policies that the government has. So this career in academics, especially wildlife, has not just taken me to amazing places, and it has not just taken me to places where I saw good animals or good landscape, but it has also given me an opportunity to try and help people in some meaningful way. And हे process asa, it is so gratifying and it's so amazing that at the end of the day I always feel ki कितीतरी केला हांवें, I have done something, and I think that is something which I would not have achieved if I would have taken a very normal career path. And one of the biggest perks of this journey has been that I've been able to meet some really amazing people in my life, and I've been able to influence things through them, with them, for the betterment of the wildlife in this country. So that is something which you can get. For example, you could probably get close to the Chief Minister of Goa just like that. But then to be good enough to be called by the Chief Minister of a state for something is something that doesn't happen every day. So to be able to do that, and this is just a representative image. So I've had encounters with several amazing people. I've also had the opportunity to meet Dr. Kalam in the past. So I've had this amazing time with my academics, which has also helped me meet amazing people, and probably even also have great friends for life with whom I share a lot of my time and passion and hobby. But then हे सगळे जे बरे गजाल सांगले, याच्या फाटले एक bad गजाल आसा. By bad I mean that this is the hard part. And what is the hard part? Hard work. There is no substitute to hard work. For example, सगळ्यांक तुमकां अशें दिसता आसतलें की आतां स्कूल जालें, 10th जालो जावं 12th जालें आमचें, हेजे फुडें चड कांय ना, सेमिस्टर सिस्टम आसा, फलगां मारपाचें, मजा मारपाचें, कॉलेजीन वचून कांय ना, कॅन्टिनान बसपाचें, वडा पाव खावपाचें, घरा येवपाचें. We have that rosy image of what college life would be. It of course is that way. College is one of the most amazing phases of your life. and hopefully once the COVID situation goes out, I'm sure that you will enjoy the amazing life that college has to offer you. पण मजा करता करता, मजा मारता मारता, कल्चरल पार्टिसिपेट करता करता, स्पोर्ट्स इव्हेंट्स करता करता, side by side you have to spend a lot of time in devoting your space for studies if you want to have a career in academics. And hard work is not just related to studies, it's no universal. If you want to be a very good Ola cab driver, you have to be a very good driver. You have to be a polite speaker. You need to know Google Map navigation. So hard work is involved everywhere. So don't think that now that you have passed school, आता मी मजा मारताले. Yes, the scope for maja maruing is a lot, but the opportunity to learn and grow and improve as a person is also a lot. But the important thing that you need to know is this meme. Ata memes generation chalu asa. So I thought I'll put this meme here. Like Instagram thoda time thoda waqtacha puiliche meme. So there is this person who says that, oh, I just love animals. But an academic career or an academic side to wildlife biology or ecology is not just about liking animals, but it's also about biology, ecology, and believe me, a lot of mathematics, chemistry, and statistics. For example, this is a page from one of my thesis chapters, and you can see the kind of mathematical equations that have gone into it. And it's not just maths. These bar bosun R, C, C++, Java ऐकले असतले. So there is a lesser known but widely used programming language called R. So if you want a career in wildlife and ecology, you need to learn R, and you need to spend a lot of time studying R. You need to learn a lot of time studying Python and QGIS. And most important of it, तुमका जे हायन photos दाखयलो जनावरांचे, wild animals, चडशे टाइम अशे असता. सकाळी गेलो 6:30 ना, this is Himachal, so 4:30-5 उठून गेले आम्ही, कित्याक सकाळ मातसो बेगीन जाता. 4:30 उठून गेले आम्ही. उठले की स्वतःचं जेवण करूंक जाय, ब्रेकफास्ट करूंक जाय, लंच करूंक जाय, रांदूंक जाय, कित्याक तर फिल्ड स्टेशनार आणि कोण ना, आमकां सगळें काम करचें पडटा. सो सगळें रांदून धुवन आयदनां दवरून फिल्डान जे रिसर्च करून जाय ते सगळें सामान घेवन बॅगान भरून घालून मागीर 1000 मीटर चोडोंक जाय वयर, बिकॉज फ्रॉम आवर फील्ड स्टेशन टू वेर वी हॅव टू वर्क इट्स अबाउट 100 meters climb. Even though the distance is only 2.5-3 kilometers, it takes about 1.5 hours to walk and go. And after you walk and go, थंयच बर बसप आणि सॅम्पल्स कलेक्ट करप, एनालिसिस करप, काम करप. आणि तेन्ना हे जे फोटोज दाखयले जे तुमकां आवडले आसतले, बरे दिसले आसतले, आयबेक्स येतात, स्नो लेपर्ड येतात, दे विल बी वॉकिंग अराउंड हियर एंड देयर एज इफ आमचे कुत्रे माजर बीन भोंवता घरा कडेन तशें भोंवता. एंड देन यू आर सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड or irritated at the end of the day that you are just sitting and doing your work and all these amazing animals are passing around. And then the even more tougher thing is to be able to clear these national exams to even get into a good PhD. CSIR, UGC, NECT exam असा, जो GATE exam, graduate aptitude test जे exam असा, हे जे clear करूंक जाय. आणि हे सगळे clear केल्या उपरांत हे जे mindset असा, that Bear Grylls व्हडलो अशे photography आमी फेसबुकान पयले आसतले. An academic career is not that what probably you think Bear Grylls does or any other photographer does. हे जे वाईल्ड कॉन्झर्वेशन इकॉलॉजी जे करियर असा, देर इज अ व्हेरी नाईस फ्लो चार्ट. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, जर तुमकां निसर्गाचे जे कॉम्पोनंट्स आसा ते तुमकां आवडटा, जर तुमकां पक्षी पळोवपाक आवडटा, ट्रेकिंग करपाक आवडटा, और तुमकां माउंटेनियरिंग आवडटा, बेस्ट आमच्या काजीनी वचपाक आवडटा, तुमकां जस्ट बिंग इन नेचर जर तुमकां आवडटा, if you do that, there are several opportunities for you just to pursue it as a hobby. For example, तुम्ही wildlife tourism यूज करूंक शकता, तुम्ही एनजीओचे पार्ट जावंक शकता, बर्ड वॉचिंग, नेचर वॉचिंग घेवंक शकता as a hobby. You can become a photographer as well, wildlife photographer as well, and these are really well respected hobbies right now in the country. पण तुमकां जर वाईल्ड बायोलॉजी आणि इकॉलॉजीन जर तुमकां करियर जाय जाल्यार कितें कितें करचें पडटा, हे सगळें हांवें केल्लें आसा. सो हांवें लिस्ट केल्लें आसा. फर्स्ट अँड फॉरमोस्ट, तुमकां जर दिसता की मॅथ्स सोडून पळोवंक जाय आनी बायोलॉजी घेवन आपूण संतुश्ट आसतलो, पण बायोलॉजी घेवन हांव वायल्ड लायफ बायोलॉजी आनी कॉन्झर्वेशनान वचूंक सोदता, जाल्यार आय थिंक दॅट इज द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक. बिकॉज इफ यू वॉन्ट टू डू or be a very good wildlife biologist and ecologist, you will have to enjoy maths, you will have to enjoy computer science, you will have to enjoy chemistry, you will have to work hard and not get enamored by social media. म्हणजे 100 फोटो, एक दोन फोटो काढून फेसबुकान घालून 100 लाईक जर मेळ्ळा जाल्यार दॅट डजंट मेक यू अ वायल्ड लायफ रिसर्चर or a scientist. And not just that, you have to be a good cook, you have to be a good driver, you have to be a good mechanic, you have to be a good manager, you have to be a good cleaner, writer, etc., etc. There is no end to this list of what you can be or you should be. आणि आमचं एज्युकेशन सिस्टम स्क्यूड आसा, इट्स एव्हरीवन नोज, इट्स अ मॅटर ऑफ फॅक्ट. होप बट देन फॉर्च्युनेटली इट्स इम्प्रुव्हिंग आणि दीस बरें जावन वयता. सो दॅट इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग्स दॅट इज हॅपनिंग टू दिस कंट्री राईट नाव, दॅट आवर एज्युकेशन पॉलिसी अँड सिस्टम इज मुव्हिंग टुवर्ड्स द पॉझिटिव्ह साइड. And finally, you need to enjoy nature and love it even more than people who pursue it as a hobby. कित्याक तुम्ही अशा नजरेन तुम्ही निसर्गाक पळयतले जे आनी कोण पळोवंकूच शकना. सो if you want to do a course in wildlife biology, ecology, conservation biology, in your masters or in your bachelors and zoology, botany, हे दोन ऑप्शन आसा गोंयान तरी. सो हे जेन्ना तुम्ही कोर्स करता आसतले आणि जर तुम्ही अशें ठरयलें की तुमकां वायल्ड लायफ बायोलॉजी आनी इकॉलॉजीन कोर्स करूंक जाय आनी जर तुमकां अशें दिसता की हांवें कशें सुंदर पक्षी जनावर पळयले आसा, जावं अमेझिंग लँडस्केप्स पळयले आसा आनी पॉलिसी इंटरव्हेन्शन, पॉलिसी डिसिशन्साक सजेशन्स दवरपाक मेळ्ळो, जावं हक्कान वचून खंयचे तरी गव्हर्मेंटाचे जे सिस्टम आसा थंय वचून कितें उलोवंक मेळ्ळो, जर तुमकां अशें दिसता की दॅट इज वॉट यू वॉन्ट टू डू इन युअर लायफ, then I think wildlife biology, ecology and conservation science is the career for you. But if that is what is the career for you, this is the list of things that you need to start loving right from now. And if you are really successful at it, as I listed, you would enjoy nature like no one else. You would go to amazing places, you will see amazing life forms, you will have seen things which are once in a lifetime, you will be humbled on a daily basis. म्हणजे निसर्गान जेन्ना आमी वयता, माझे एक्झाम्पल आसा, हांव जेन्ना म्हादेन गेलो आनी एक झाड पळयलो, हांवें तो झाड इतलो उंच आसलो आनी रुंदीन इतलो व्हडलो आशिल्लो दॅट आय थिंक इवन 20 or 30 people, इफ वी होल्ड अवर हँड्स लायक दिस, वी कुड नॉट कवर द एंटायर ट्री. आणि तो झाड कमीत कमी 300-400 वर्षाचो तरी आसतलो. तर जेन्ना तो झाडाक हांवें अशें वयर पळयलो, तेजे उंच कॅनपी सुद्धा दिसना तेजे. सो वेन आय सॉ दॅट ट्री अँड वेन आय सॉ द गर्थ ऑफ द ट्री, आय फेल्ट व्हेरी स्मॉल. म्हाका अशें दिसलें की आमी मनीस खूबच इनसिग्निफिकंट. आमचे लायफ स्पॅन कितें, चडान चड 60 वर्स, एव्हरेज लायफ स्पॅन. इमॅजिन दिस ट्री विच हॅज लिव्ड फॉर 400 years, 500 years. आज जो पणजो तेजे पयलीं कोणाक पळयलें आसतलें तेंचे त्या झाडान आमकां खबर सुद्दां ना. सो यू गेट हंबल्ड ऑन अ डेली बेसीस. जेन्ना हांव लाहोल स्पिती हिमाचल प्रदेशान काम करतालो आनी जेन्ना जे लँडस्केप पळयतालो, huge mountains, big mountains, and human being is just this small dot in all of that. And जेन्ना दर्यान गेलो, अरेबियन सीन काम करपाक गेलो, when I had water everywhere, again I felt how insignificant human being is. And I think this is one of those few careers where on a daily basis you will be humbled and you will be grounded and you will be reminded that we are very insignificant, but the legacy that we leave behind through our good work by being a good citizen of this country and this world is probably what is more important. And then you get to contribute to science, you make to do contribution to conservation, and probably the best tagline for this advertisement would be you make the world a better place. And very few careers exist in this world where you can actually make the world a better place. चडशे आमकां अशें दिसता की to make the world a better place you need to be a doctor or an engineer. Yes, right, but you make the human world a better place. But when you do a career or when you have a career as a wildlife biologist, an ecologist or a conservation biologist, you make the world as a whole a better place. You make the world a better place not just for us and our fellow human beings, but for every other organism in this world. So I think this career has been really amazing and it has a lot of scope. And as I end my presentation, हांव तुमकां सगळ्यांक एकूच सांगूंक सोदता that you will have many things that money can't buy. हे जे लाईफ आसा खूपशे अशे गजाल आसा जे पयशान तुम्ही विकते घेवंक शकना. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, यू कॅनॉट बाय द हॅपीनेस दॅट you get when you help some tribal child somewhere to learn 2 + 2 = 4. You will never get the happiness of saving a bird which is stuck in a trapper's trap. जेन्ना एक सोरोपाक आमी रेस्क्यू करता, जे खुशी मेळटा आमकां, जे एक जीव वाचयले आमी, I don't think that money can buy. And at the end of the day, जेन्ना तुम्ही आम्ही न्हिदोंक वयता आनी आमी चिंतता की आयज आमी कितें केलें, and then when we think back, there is always this feeling that yes, I have accomplished something, and that is a feeling that money probably can't buy. And as the saying goes, for everything else, by the time you are a successful wildlife biologist, you will have your bank account, bank balance, and MasterCard of your own. But the bottom line of all of this is, if you want to reach somewhere in your life, in your career, never forget the contribution of your teachers and the support of your parents and family. Teachers right from a kindergarten, like KG, the teacher who taught you ABCD 1 2 3 4, and the teacher who taught you verbs, nouns, adverbs, even the maths teacher who we all students kind of end up hating because they teach this very difficult integration, differential equations. The science teacher, the physics teacher, you would realize at the end of the life that these people, teachers, Mata Pita, Gurudev Manta. So the teachers are the one who end up, shaping your life for the entire lifetime. So it is very important to never forget the contribution of your teachers and the hard work and the support that your parents and family put behind you. So as students who are listening to me, as अशा फेसचेर आसा लायफाचेर that you are probably खुबशे तुम्ही आसतले जे आता हॉस्टेलान वचून रावतले, गोंय सोडून भायर वचून शिक्षणाक वयतले, तर कॉलेजीन वयतले. इट्स अ डिफरंट लाईफ, डिफरंट सेटअप, डिफरंट सेट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, डिफरंट व्हॅल्यूज, इथोस. पण हे सगळे जेन्ना तुम्ही पळयतले, रिमेंबर ऑलवेज, डोंट फॉरगेट द कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन ऑफ युअर स्कूल टीचर्स or your college teachers or whoever has taught you ever, because if not for your teachers, none of us would be what we would be. And that is one of the main driving forces that when I discovered a new species of ant, गोंयान नेत्रावलीच्या नावाने ant सोदलो आणि हेजें नामकरण केलो. I dedicated the name of this ant to my professor, college professor, Dr. Vaibhav Chindarkar. He is the head of department at the Government College Sakhe. So I can never forget the depth that I have towards him, that he made sure that I reach where I am. So with that, I want to end my talk for today, and I want to thank Agni sir and Abhijit and the Konkani Bhasha Mandal for giving me this amazing opportunity to speak to young students and about something that I love a lot about, and about my journey and my career. It sounded a lot like a chest beating and machat bada ulon gelo, but I thought that by this, hopefully I would be able to kind of share all of this with you guys, hoping that गोंयांच्यान कोण तरी थोडे भुरगे असे आसतले जे inspires on maybe follow the career of wildlife and conservation. कित्याक गोंयांच्यान वायल्ड लायफ बायोलॉजी आनी कॉन्झर्वेशन करपी लोक खूब कमी आसा, खूबच कमी आसा. हांव म्हाजे एका हातीच्या बोटान मेजूंक शकता जितके लोक आसा. So that's a really amazing field that is out there for you. So please take this opportunity that you have in front of it. Dare to dream big, dare to achieve what you dream by working hard and working towards your passion, and always believe in your hard work. And if you do that, I think that would suffice for you. So with that, I want to thank everyone for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Dr. Pranab Bhai, for providing an insight into your experiences and also for imparting to us the importance of value for holistic living. Your research interest has motivated our students, and also it was indeed an inspiration for all of us. We are sincerely grateful to Dr. Abhijit Nadkarni, Srimati Shalan Nadkarni and his family for gracing this occasion with their presence, and and also for encouraging the students by presenting them the scholarship. Special thanks to Madam Anvisha Singhbar, Sir Anant Agni, Mr. Anup Madgaikar, Palash Agni Studios, parents, students, and one and all for being present here today on such an amazing event. Once again, thank you all.